Lyrics don't get sad. Check. But I love the hood, man. I love you. I love you. Real talk. Yeah. What can I say? I love you because you raised me. When I did wrong, you said I was a sucker. When I did good, you praised me. A lot of people hold admiration for you. You created some of the best, that's why I'm so spoiled. Them times when it was on, I shed blood for you. You never got mad when I left them to peace. When a nigga had money, you would hand me the keys. Kept my mind right when the trees went through the breeze. Gave me all I want, all of my needs. Taught me a great deal about shit that was real. I love you, just wanna tell you how I feel. I love you. What more can I say? I live with you like every single day. I love you. What more can I do? You made me who I am. I always stay true. I love you. You're all that I be. No matter what, you held me down for me. I love you. Love it up. Ain't too much I can say about you. You always been in my life, and I'm nothing without you. Tough time for me to write how I feel about you. I love you to the death and everything real about you. I love you, get it poppin', there's no way I can ever doubt you. You let me know the what's and why's and everything, even the how-tos. Gave me my name, it's sad, I gotta get about you. I still hold you down, let people know not to talk, cause you came to my rescue when I got caught. Explained it and changed my whole thoughts. That's why I gotta demand what you want. Got the man. Word up. Just wanted to tell you. Yeah. I love you. What more can I say? I live with you like every single day. I love you. What more can I do? You made me who I am. I always stay true. I love you. You're all that I be. No matter what, you held me down for me. I love you. Last verse, I don't need no pen. I'ma just say what's in my heart. Understand, man, I'm here to the end. Forever. It's like you're my lady. Everything, man. You taught me how to eat the gravy. When things got shady. It's just so much I can say. I love you every fucking day. Word up, man. I love you. Y'all always been there, I say. I live with you like every single day. I love you. What more can I do? You made me who I am. I always stay true. I love you. You're all that I be. No matter what, you held it down for me. I love you. Word up, man. Just had to tell you, yo. Love you. Each and every hood. In Syracuse, New York. In New York. United States. Man, the globe, man. I love every hood. Love you. You raised me. You made me who I am, baby. Yeah.